Hi from Tasty Life. Today we are making spring roll. In many countries you can see spring roll, and in Vietnam, from the south to the north, from the family to another family, we have different ingredients, the different way to make spring roll. But today we are going to make the spring roll the South Vietnam style, and that is a special way of my family making spring roll. In different family they use different ingredients. With my family we use sweet potato, jicama, carrot, taro, eggs, chili ears or cat ears mushroom, shallot, garlic, chili, seasoning powder, pepper, salt, sugar, breadcrumbs, rice paper or wheat flour paper. In this case we use wheat flour paper, and chicken breast. You can use pork or beef or seafood like shrimp or squid, or if you are vegetarian you just skip it. And now we are going to make spring roll with the helping of the chef Nga Nguyen.
Hello.
We are going to peel all the vegetable to a very small piece. We do the same with chicken. We are going to mix all the vegetable, mushroom, garlic, onion. I'll use 2 spoons of pepper, a spoon of seasoning, a spoon of salt, and a spoon of sugar. Mix everything together. We are going to stir fry the chicken. We fry chicken meat before we roast the spring roll. This way we can keep the spring roll for some months if you want to store it in the freezer. Because making spring roll take a lot of time, so normally when we make a lot, and we keep what we don't use it in the freezer. After stir frying the chicken meat, now we mix everything, chicken with the rest of recipe. We mix everything in that, and then we are ready to roast the spring roll. Now she's starting to roast the spring roll. After roll the spring roll, we will need 4 eggs, and we will put all together. Dip the spring roll in the eggs, and then we roll in the breadcrumbs. We'll put a little bit of water in the eggs. Now we're going to deep fry the spring roll. We have to put a lot of oil there. Wait until it's boiling, about 100 degrees, and then we put the spring roll in.
Yeah.
After deep fry in 4 minutes, it changed to become golden brown, and it's already, you can take it out. The spring roll is done today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please share if you like it. Ciao.